Driving right now with the new Braum seats. So this seats has a good lumbar support, so I do appreciate that one. So hard cornering is also good. Doesn't make you slide like the previous seat. So the bolstering is really good. I like the way it feels, the way it hugs your body when you're driving. The only thing now, I have this airbag light on my dashboard. So I guess I have to code that out. So the seat is nice and firm. It's not too soft, it's not too hard also. Just the right amount of firmness. The lumbar support is very good. The bolstering is not too aggressive like bucket seats, but it gives you the good support when you do hard cornering. So I'm impressed with the Braum quality. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect the Braum to be like this. I'm gonna do a hard corner here now. With the new steering wheel and the new seats, the car feels totally different. It doesn't feel like a regular M235 right now. Definitely a huge upgrade. So you guys, if you want to try to change your seats to something more sporty, I would suggest try the Braums. I like the way this seat feels like, and it's half the price of the Recaro Sportster CS, which is a good thing. ride height too is perfect. You can just exactly look at the front of the car. It's not too low, it's not too high, it's perfect. It's up to your preference. If you want to be more higher, maybe you can add more spacer, but for this setup, it's perfect for me. Oh, I like that. As you know, guys, every time you change the seat, you're always gonna have problem of the airbag lights on your dash. So better take that in consideration when you're changing your seats. So now I have to buy the Pro Tool and also the adapter to coat this seat warning light out of my dash. Hard cornering coming up. Oh yeah, baby. Very good. So guys, here are my thoughts for the seats. For the price, it's really worth it. Compared to the Recaro Sportster CS, this is basically half the price. You're getting a good looking seat. The bolstering is excellent. The lumbar support is excellent. It's not too stiff. The way the feeling of the seat when you sit down, it's not too stiff. It's not too soft either. And bolstering really works really good. If you do hard cornering, your body stays in place with the seat. So those are my thoughts with the seat. So if you guys want to change your seat to something, I would suggest, if you're on a budget, go with the Braums. If you have the money, go with the Recaro Sportster CS. Those are just my thoughts. So guys, that's it for the video. So if you please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. I do appreciate that. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.